dude, please just help me get out of this. I don't want to do this anymore. I hate real estate. I hate brokerage. It's the stupidest thing ever. Everyone sucks. I just want out. And he didn't say anything to me on the other line on the phone, until he did, and he said, stop crying, you little bitch. If he can do it, you can do it. And he hung up the phone.
What's up, guys? It's McKeown back again with another video this week, and we are actually away from my home city of Dallas, Texas, down just a quick drive to San Antonio, Texas for One Real Conference. What that is the brokerage that I decided to switch from, honestly, one of the fastest growing companies in real estate about 2 years ago, swapped over to an even newer brokerage, a very, very early tech savvy and tech forward thinking brokerage 2 years ago. We have grown from about 1,100 agents to almost 7,000 agents in just 2 years. And this is our first annual conference where people have actually gotten together, meeting some of these folks for the first time, and I'm excited to be able to spend the next couple days with them. Now, this specific brokerage I have talked about on my YouTube channel a handful of times. The main reason is it has absolutely changed my life. Now, real estate as a whole, yes, has changed my life, but this real estate brokerage that we're growing and I'm helping grow throughout the entire country, by saying it changing my life is probably an understatement, guys. Now, what led me to real estate initially was passive income. Fortunately enough, I've acquired quite the real estate portfolio. Again, if you've watched my other videos, I have about $5 million in real estate owned as far as investment properties. A lot of that portfolio generates passive income, but the brokerage that I have joined, and because I have helped grow the company, I am starting to earn an enormous amount of passive income. Now, the importance with this brokerage is, as you guys know, a majority of my channel is revolved around passive income. Passive income being money that I generate a majority of the time through my investment portfolio. Now, that investment portfolio does create passive income for me, but a lot of it I've had to either make a down payment, or I've had to sell a property that appreciated and use that down payment to buy another property. Well, the passive income generated through my brokerage, or Real Brokerage, is just off of simply attracting agents to the company and growing the company. Now, the beauty with passive income is, yes, my real estate portfolio is changing my life, but the real estate portfolio is more so long-term. The passive income that I'm generating from helping grow Real Brokerage is an immediate life change, and it's really allowing me to have a life that, honestly, I never could have imagined. So again, we are here in San Antonio over the next couple days. We've got a guest speaker in the afternoon today, Ryan Serhant. If you're in the real estate world, or maybe you even watch just reality TV, he has his own TV show as well. I'm excited to be able to hear him and see him in person for the first time, as well as a lot of updates when it comes to the brokerage I am a part of, Real Brokerage, and the future technology and just really future growth that's coming with our company. So I've got my business manager and my videographer here to join me in San Antonio. At the end of this week, me and my business manager are actually going to be taking you guys along with us to San Diego for another real estate conference. So that may be another video all in itself, but I've got a crazy week just having come back from Orlando, Florida to now San Antonio and then San Diego at the end of the week. So hopefully I can get some good footage for you guys. With that being said, guys, let's get today started.
I was an English degree major. Okay? I speak English already. I can write a little bit better now. I can read a little bit better. I was a double major of theater, though, because I took it seriously. Okay? But there was no plan for me. Unless I followed the concrete steps of what I was supposed to do like everybody else, you're completely on your own.
Go and tell your story and your message And here is the most important person that you must tell your story to. Yourself. Over the next 90 days, watch your internal dialogue and raise your effing standards. This is our time. This is our opportunity.
And the fact that Jason passed away and his family was left with, trying to figure out how to cope with life, that triggered something at Real, and we decided to make RevShare willable.
Well, guys, the downfall to real estate conferences is you wind up staying up too late and you commit to working out far too early. So we've got a group session that don't really know what it's going to be, but I think there's going to be 30 or 40 of us working out together. We'll see what it's like. Good morning, guys. It is 6 o'clock on the first day of the conference. Technically, it started yesterday. From 4 to 7 is when everyone showed up and kind of got together and just mingled and technically met a lot of the folks from Real Brokerage for the first time. This is our first annual conference, and a lot of what we've been doing over the last 2 years since joining this company and building it from 1,100 agents to almost 7,000 agents now across the country is a lot of Zoom calls, a lot of meetups locally in local markets, but nothing national like this. And at 6 a.m., we got about 45 to 50 people here ready to work.
Citizens of the earth, you will be destroyed. Have a nice day.
All right, guys, mid-workout right now, and I'm telling you, I'm dying. One thing if I work out every single day, but this is circuit training with a bunch of just 30 seconds hard, 30 seconds off, and I can tell you, I haven't done cardio in ages, and I'm paying for it.
wake up in the morning with someone new. I wanna do the things they say we shouldn't do. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. Live life like it's a piece and break the rules. I wanna wake up in the morning.
I love it. I love my real folks. This happy hour was sponsored by myself, Katie Day, Ian Williams, Jeremy Knight, and Shauna Martinez in Dallas. We just wanted to welcome you guys to Texas. Those of you that haven't been here, make sure you drink and eat as much as you like. Thank you, everybody.
All right, we're even earlier today. I don't know why I keep thinking 5 o'clock flights are great, but we're headed off to the airport. Me and Bree, my business manager, will be headed to San Diego over the next couple days. We've got a Tom Ferry coaching event there. Then I'll be heading back Saturday for probably the longest 10 days of my life, having gone from Florida straight to San Antonio and straight to San Diego and then back home. What's up, guys? It's day 2 here at Tom Ferry's Team Plus event in San Diego, California. Yesterday was kind of in and out just because I had to take a bunch of calls. I have a few more today as well, but how yesterday ended with a bunch of breakout sessions is how today is starting. We got an afternoon probably back with Tom Ferry, finish up the event, and I'll fly back finally to home after about a week and a half of traveling on Saturday, just tomorrow afternoon. For those of you that don't know, Tom Ferry has kind of different levels of coaching, such as core, elite, and then I believe there's one other ahead of that, and then Team Plus. Team Plus is for individuals that have essentially the desire to build a team or have a large, massive team. So a lot of the folks that are actually at this conference, now they have their support staff, such as myself having my business manager here with me, but majority of these folks that I'm networking with are very, very, very successful realtors and brokers across the country. It's a great opportunity to really get my name out there and start to meet some of what we would probably call the big hitters in the industry. But also on the flip side, just the person I am, it's also difficult to network with those kinds of people because just 5 years ago I was living paycheck to paycheck. So it's a much different life that I'm living now, networking with who I'm networking with, people that help NBA and NFL and very celebrity-ish style realtors out here that are very, very successful in their market. I don't really have a desire to do luxury, but it's always great to be able to try to network with great people that can hopefully further my business. And also just a little context here, guys. I sell on average 50 to 75 homes a year. I did start to build a team and then basically tore it down, but the individual that is about to speak at this particular breakout session, I think his entire team or network sold over 1,000 homes in 2021, and I guarantee you he's crushing that in 2022. So just it's the ability to network and the ability to meet people that are just, for lack of better terms, just killing me in numbers. It's a great place to surround yourself with people that are going to continue to push yourself in your business. And I think that goes with any other business too. Very much surround yourself with the right type of people and people that are doing bigger and better things than you're doing, because I can tell you that's going to motivate you and push you to try to achieve what they have been able to achieve. There's a reason why I have a full-time videographer, and it isn't until you've been carrying a camera around that you don't realize how difficult it is to constantly film yourself. So needless to say, there is an abrupt ending to this vlog, but moving forward, any kind of out-of-state travel or content that I could potentially create a vlog for, I'm going to be bringing my videographer. Now, my videographer came to San Antonio but did not come to San Diego. That's why there's a considerable difference in terms of amount of footage from San Antonio versus San Diego. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to be creating more of this type of content in the future as long as there's content to be able to create. But again, videographer will be coming with me. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. It really does help. And stay tuned for the next video.